One. Here we go. We are on YouTube. Twitch, say hi to YouTube. YouTube, say hi to Twitch. Let's go. Let's go, guys. So we got a huge announcement today. We are unboxing our Nimzo board today. Nimzo board. What is that? So you can use command Nimzo in chat. I'm going to read it right here, actually. Show you guys what we have. Boom. There it is. This board is insane. It actually is. I'm going to show you all in a minute. Nimzo makes contemporary chess gear and accessories. Sorry, I just clicked on this. Okay, accessories. And it's designed and engineered in New York City. So here we go. We're gonna pull up the website, and here it is, y'all. Nimzo. Now let me just kind of like cut off a little bit, but it's because I have it kind of cropped. But here's the Nimzo board. Let's actually just click on it so you guys. I mean, you can see this up here. So you can kind of see it. I'm actually going to show you what it actually looks like, you know, real time. But this is fire, bro. This is the website. Highly recommend you guys grab one. Now shipping internationally. Honestly, real time, like, you know, cutthroat review. This is one of the best boards. In fact, this is my favorite board I've ever had. I'm not even gonna lie. And they sent it to me. Just like, hey, you know, in the email, hey, Canty, we want to send you this board. I'm like, cool, you know, like, thanks. Because I was like, I get this kind of thing all the time. I'm like, oh yeah, you know, so I'll send you a board, or like some stuff's cool, and we know we can get chess boards from Amazon, stuff like that. I've had all kind of boards, but yo, this one is honestly the best like tournament board I've ever had. And I just say that because it's like it has the feel of, like, you know, when you go to Amazon, you get the plastic board or the tournament board, and you get the pieces and weighted, you know, it's cool, whatever, right? But this one, the feel of the board, the pieces are like custom with the little things on the bottom, bro, is sick. And then on the board, you could tell it's excellent quality. All right, now let me show y'all, bro. Here we go. It's time. Smell like a good board. In fact, so let me show y'all what it looks like right here. So this is the Nimzo. Boom. You see on the, so here you go right here, the bag. I don't know if I can see it. There you go. It says opening edition Nimzo. Let me see if I can get any closer there. Boom. You see? So this is the bag. All right, this is the bag. And then here's the board right here. So pull this out of the little thing. Comes with a little sleeve on it, you know. So you get the little sleeve there. Nimzo. That's fire. So you can take that off. And the feel of it is like, oh guys, like, what do I even say? It's like velvet, but it's like slick velvet. Or like a rubbery, slick velvet to it. It doesn't crease, you know what I mean? Like you can get the creases on the board, stuff like that. I've already like, you know, used this board. And I've been in the house, like, you know, looking at chess positions and stuff. So check this board out, y'all. Look at this board. Look at oh, that's what it is. Flex mat. Is that what that says? Flex mat. So you guys are familiar with flex mat. But like, oh man, the quality is unreal here. Mouse pad board. Exactly. It's like a mouse pad feel. You know, that's exactly what it is. It's like a mouse pad, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. And then up here, look at the like right here in the corner. You see how it's like how it's like, look how it's on there. It's like, bro, this is insane, bro. Like engraved, right? Exactly. And then it's over here in this color too as well, right? Boom. You can see that. You see that, chat? Get a load of that. You know what I mean? Like, board is excellent quality, awesome, smells fresh. You know what I mean? Here's the back. It's nice, bro. This is a fire board. Like, I'm telling you, bro, you know how many boards I've played on? This is legit one of the best boards I've ever had. Like, I'm not even playing. I told him, I was like, yo, this board is sick. Like, I'm studying more on real boards. Honestly, because of this one, like, I just like it. Now, of course, every board has to have the right pieces. And guys, let me show y'all these, bro. These pieces are fire. And I'm not even kidding. Listen. Okay, look. Here's the black rook. Look at the rook, bro. Look at this. Hold on. Boom. And then look at this. Yo, on the bottom? Is this real, dog? Is this real, bro? Wait for that boy to fall. Look at that. Look at that. How amazing that is. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's sweet. It's got like stuff on the bottom. You know what I mean? That's the rook, right? So I'm gonna pull out some of the pieces. Right, here's the black pawn. You know what I'm saying? How heavy are they? That's a good question. If we click on order here, I'm sure they probably have it in the pieces wise. So here's the set. As you can see, I actually show, in fact, boom, right? These are what the pieces look like. Got Nimzo on them. Let me see if they have the weight though. Bro, these are hard. Oh, I got the stability. That's what this is. Optimal weight, premium feel, durable. Yeah, these are hard, dog. This is fire. Oh, here we go. Pieces, total set is 3 pounds. So look, they have all the weight right here. So this is fire. 2.1 ounces, right? All the way down to the pawn being 1 ounce. Those weights are hard. Yeah, the weights are sick, dog. Look at people playing with the set. You know what I mean? No, this set is hard. And then it's even better in person when you have it on you, like with the pawns. And then look at the white pieces too. Like, let me get one of the white pieces up. Go to king. Yo, the king here, dog. Ooh-wee. Crispy. You about to get hit with the meanest Jar Jar Binks London ever of your life. You know what I mean? With these pieces, I'm hitting you extra hard. You about to get hit extra hard just because of the pieces. Stainless steel, probably. Yes. Chess Love. I highly recommend, guys, you grab this board. This is my favorite board. I'm not even gonna lie. And I've gotten a lot of boards in my life. A lot of boards. And like, of course, you always want to see how the knight is too. I've gotten a lot of boards in my life, and I've never had one that I liked as much as this one. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even kidding, bro. Like, I've had a lot of boards, guys. And this one, it's just the feel of the pieces, the whole presentation, the matte, and like the silver. I like the bottoms, the weights on them. It's just sweet. You know, it got the little bag too as well. So it's sweet, dog. You know what I mean? Nimzo. Opening edition here. Come with the bag. So I had to show y'all, man, you know? Locked in over here. Locked in. Damian Rice says any update on the Speedo. In fact, they don't allow, they won't do them anymore. They have changed some things around, unfortunately, there, Damian Rice, but they got swim trunks, so, but not those. Very nice. Yeah, these are fire. So, you know, these are amazing. I ain't gonna lie. Thanks for the bits too, bro. 550. This is my new board. Got it from Nimzo here. And we were just unboxing it if you're just getting here. Yeah, JKKK. This is fire, dude. I love this board. And I have it out in my living room. I just had to, like, you know, obviously show you guys today. I'm getting another one in the mail. So I'm waiting on that one. That's going to be cool. But look at the pieces, obviously, again. Do you have a discount code? I do not. I do not. I do not have a discount code there. Uncle Esquire. Hey, thanks for the 10 bits. Let's go. We getting some energy in here. 10 subs. My bad. 10 subs. 10 subs. Now it's a little bit more. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it. Do they ship to EU? Yeah, they ship worldwide here. So if we go back here, it says that they're now shipping internationally at the top here. Because I wanted to check that too to see where else. You know what I mean? Esquire, hey, thanks, bro. Like, really. Esquire is a legend. Exactly. You don't have any board, not a lot of space, and this looks perfect for you. I think it's highly recommended, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. When I got it in the mail, I was like, oh, cool, another board. Like, I can't tell you how many boards I got laying around, or how many boards. Oh, I got it's a board. But then you see this board, and it's like, oh, this is fire. So then I immediately sat down and opened a chess book because I wanted to just feel the pieces on this board and study on this board. You know what I mean? Like, it's that kind of board where you have the boards where, like, you know, you get from House of Stone or wherever. Or you might get a nice board where you don't really play on it as much. You know, DGT or whatever. Even a DGT board, like, it's been, you know, we're used to that. So, touch these pieces with the steel bottoms, I was hyped. I like the DGT board, but takes up a lot of space. Yeah, exactly. This one is the tournament size board where, like, you can play Skittles games and all the other stuff, and it doesn't fold up. Obviously, it doesn't crease. You know, like the like your boards, you hate those. When it crease up, it's lightweight. You can carry it like this, you know, obviously, and the board can go in the little slot there, which is how you do it. Loving the board review. I'm literally about to get it. I think it was Fate tuning in tonight. That's crazy, huh? It's crazy, bro. This is a fire board. I highly recommend it here in the Nimzo. So definitely order here now, guys. Of course, if you are watching on YouTube right now, I obviously will link that in here, but highly recommend it. 100% a buy from me. I will get it, and I have another one coming in the mail as we speak. So yeah, shout out to Nimzo, man. Go get your board today.